Today I am going to share about curriculum vitae. Already in the previous class we learned how to show the resume, simple resume. Resume in the sense we are just describing ourselves. A brief description of ourselves is resume. Similarly, we are going to have the resume in a descriptive, that is in a open way, detailed study of ourselves is called as CV. Coming to the points, in the textbooks of course it is given heading, objectives, education, qualification, work experience, strength, other details, reference, cover letter and the declaration points, where it is very necessary to mention all the lines. Coming to the point, heading of course, earlier I want to make you analyze why we write CV just for applying new jobs. The first impression is the best impression. So, it is very necessary to have the impressive mark there. For this, how far we can give the facts are very important. Writing pattern plays a pivotal role in getting your jobs. So, manual, when they ask about the manuals, that is of handwriting scriptures, we are very necessary to submit the data in a handmade. So, there we feel importance of learning this CV to get the new jobs in the new companies. However, while we are writing the CV, what to present, how to present the CV, we are going to learn. Here, the heading consists of the personal data, name, father's name, of course nowadays mother's name is also included, mother's name, Aadhaar number, this much, date of birth, in abbreviation how to write, DOB, date of birth, right? Eligibility, eligible qualification, the post which you are applying, for that the eligibility here. So, you are necessary to mention what the degree you gain, eligibility qualification. Here you are mentioning either accordingly to BSc or so-called BCom or BA, what not. The course what you are reading, that must be mentioned in this form. Coming to this educational eligible qualification, here we have to make a tabular column where it is very necessary to mention like this: serial number, educational qualification, name of the institute, of course year of passing, percentage percentage secured. One, two, three, four, five. Place or districts. Either here, of course, you can also university, here place or town name. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns are very necessary to have. Without these columns, the clarity of the CV depends on this tabular column only. Please remember, if you write this tabular column, then only it is called as CV. Otherwise, it comes under resume. Without tabular column, it becomes resume. Remember. So, this 7 we are very necessary to have an awareness. Here is again one of the point I want to stress you. Always we must show the tabular column in the reverse chronological order. Reverse chronological order. What is this reverse chronological order? RCO. Why it is called? Because we are showing it in a reverse. For example, I am telling you, if we are in case applying with the qualification BSc or BCom, any degree, BSc, in the institute called, some other institute, ABC Institute. Here on passing, you may secure 78% or 90%, what is called university. It comes under SK or Anantapur Jilla. Is it? Anantapur. That is. Coming to the next, intermediate, not idiot. Intermediate, some of the XYZ college, like this. Here we can mention easily with 80%. Okay, no doubt. It also it has no university. Yes. Coming to the third, SSC Board of Intermediate, from some of the school name with so and so percentage. With this shows that the place or town which you refers, you are with the local or non-local. That is the point we are supposed to remember. Coming to this, once again I am stressing you children, the only tabular column makes your CV more attractive. So be clear, the lines must be 7, the tabular column. So remember these lines and do follow these. Coming to this, work experience. Work experience. In case we completed our course and again we are going for the training purpose, that is called, nowadays no training is given. So we must find, and newcomers are not allowed for trainings. How can we give you as a newcomer? Novice for our company. Novice are not allowed. Who is this novice? A newcomer. Newcomers are given less priority, whereas we are supposed to gain experience. Without experience, one can't have a job opportunity. So, work experience is also a necessary word. Coming to this, strength. What is this strength? The strength in the sense, it is not the word, the boost I have and I am with the very strong. No, that is not the strength here, of course. Here Additionally, what you secure, like that of computer awareness and so-called online presentations like this, all desirable. The company what it expects and up to mark how far you are eligible, that is called strength. Sound in communication skills also comes under sound in communicative, etc. We must say. Coming to this other details. What is this others? Other details means sports, games, certificates what you possess, national, international participation will be there, everything. International volleyball player, is it? Or something like a player, the cricket player, what it may be. Additionally, what you possess. Either Hindi, Rashtrabhasha, Pravina, Uttararga, like that. All the other details, what you can furnish, you can. It is useful for the only according to the job criteria here. So, what the job requirement we have to follow, and we are supposed to give the details of that study eligibility. Other than that, no nuisance can be created. It's all the nonsensical things. If we create, so other details. Reference. This comes under reference in the sense where we studied and what we were. That the reference, the identity we can say. Reference address. Where we trained, there is the reference. That is the reference address. A sort of recommendation we can say. Recommendation. Where we are recommended, children? Recommendation in the sense from where we possessed our degree, that is training, comes under this reference. In the data, while we are submitting the application, we can also write ask. It will be submitted in time. When I attend the interview, then I am ready to submit. That the word you are supposed to mention. Ask when you are free. That may also add it. Okay. But a reference must be noted on the CV. Without reference, it is CV will be in a waste of matter. So CV attracts on 2 points. This reference and this tabular column. Kindly remember this. Right. Reference. Some ask for cover letters. Some may not be interested. Covering letter. That is called reply cover. As early we receive, immediately they send the information either you are in need or not. The covering letter. Sir, I am so and so I am in need of this post. Kindly make me eligible and let me have your satisfaction. Until your satisfaction, I am capable to work. That much of matter is very necessary to present in the cover letter. The last is declaration. Declaration, some companies accept this and some may not. However, in the examination point of view, it is not so necessary to write the declaration. Who you and I can declare that I need a post. If they give, we are very necessary to work. They won't allow, where is the matter of declaration. So, here, apart examination point of view, declaration can be deleted. And few companies also, they doesn't wish for the declaration. By examining this, by careful analysis of the advertisement, we must submit the CV. Remember, all the CVs are not the same. CVs differ from one to other. Kindly remember, no the same CVs can be sent for all the jobs. Being economic students, how can you apply for so-called BPC eligibility physiotherapy? It's a nonsensical thing, is it? Nonsensical thing. So, please bear in mind, your qualification declares your job opportunity. So, CVs varies from one to other. Every time when you are applying for new jobs, you are very necessary to submit your new CVs. That is called the progress. So, your progress must be new from one job to other job. That is, you must also increase your eligibility here. Here is written only BSc. You may also write here MSc, of course MSc, MCom. So, as long your years are rolling on, you are necessary to improve your CV along with the educational qualification and some other variations here. No doubt, date of birth never changes. As it is in the 10th class, it remains the same. So, kindly remember this. CV is one of the prominent part in our life. So, it is involved in life skills. It is very necessary to learn to have the CV in it. It was, for examination point of view, it covers 5 marks. How it will be given is, the data will be given and you are very necessary to fill the given data completely in this method. For this, you must first experience yourself. The data you have to write and follow your own data first. And then come to page number 258 so that you can practice it. There are many more written in the textbook. So, it is necessary to have the resume is separate from the CV. So, go through this page number 265 where nearly 10 CVs and 2 resumes are given for you. Go through them, write them, and if you got any doubt, you can clarify me with your personal number. Right? Thank you.